First time sa without
Palabas. Ang itim ko.
Feels like a lifetime. 1,000 days have passed by since I held you close to me.
Okay, go.
If I could see that smile from my friend, I know that I could live again. I need you here with me. Heaven knows what to say, even though for right now you're so far away. I hope and I pray somewhere in your heart I'll always stay. Girl, with me.
Sabay tayo.
My sun doesn't shine without you. Never know what it feels like to be without you. 'Cause I just took my last breath, my last breath.
Huwag ba mag-aka na lang, bubo ka pa. Huwag ka galit.
This is what I was feeling, girl. 'Cause my sun doesn't shine without you.
Sige na, ako muna. Ay, ikaw muna. Ay, ako muna. Ikaw, Sarah.
This is more for me than for you. Girl, I finally see there's no substitute for what we have. Do you know how much I love you?
Ikaw na.
What we share, I can't forget. The love
Ba't
like
wala?
yours, I always just slip away. Just promise that you'll stay. Heaven knows what to say. Even though far and now you're so far away, I'll tell you and show you, do whatever I can do to get back to you.
Dapat ganyan.
Do whatever I can to get back to you. Marami.
Sun doesn't shine without you. Never know
Kali ka na, Ben!
what it feels like to be without you. Feels like I took my last step and my last breath in my life. Indeed, had to say what I was saying. 'Cause my sun doesn't shine, sun doesn't shine. Have you ever seen a flower again? And the spring is starting without the moon. Well, last me without you. So come back and turn my nights into What I was feeling, without you.
Bien, taas masyado. Hindi bagay sa suot mo, mukha kang pokpok.
Panoorin natin isa na din.
Pag-stop mo ng video, dati.
Wait lang. Prelude to. Ano to? Prelude. Ay, hindi. Interlude. Ay, hindi. Bobo? Yung dulo na. Epilogue to. Epilogue. Standing at my door. Guess this means you take back all you said before. Favorite kasi Kelly Clarkson. So much you wanted anything but me. You said you'd never come back, but here you are again. Nothing left together now. You're gonna be.
Timing ano naman? Nakamaganda po ako. Wala kang timing. Yan na.
Mama! What's up? Without you? But telling you goodbye. Maybe I was wrong for trying to pick a fight.
Okay na pangit. Basta mag-ganyan ko. Ayan na, bilas. Ako na magdadala. Natagalit ako!
Dala!
Nakabitin ako mag-call. Ayaw ka na mag-travel. Wala lang Tagalog. Mag-anabrita mo. Game.
You got me! So mad!
Sana artista niyan, bobo ba? Woo! Kagandahan, kakalilungan, kabobohan, kabahan.
Oh yeah!
Buong pagkatao mo lumabas sa video na yan. Hindi ka karunong kumanta, hindi ka marunong sumayaw at ingay mo. Walang yakan. Ganyan yung sa'yo.
Kasi love!
Sabi ni Aiden pagkatapos. Ano ba to?
You got me!
Mukhang tayo niya sumigaw. Tina mo.
One done!
Yan. Lagi lang natambay. Siyempre, may na nga.